Bro, actually, I'm so hyped to be backtesting today. Now I know that. Now I know that I'm doing what I'm supposed to. That I needed yesterday as a break because now I'm really kind of hyped to be backtesting. And we're gonna see. We're just straight up gonna get in the bread, how we say in Romanian. We're gonna pretend these sessions didn't happen because yeah, it's really hard to be backtesting when you cannot focus, right? I mean, that's at least for me. So let's do scalpel, GU. We're gonna do GU and Nasdaq today. So at least we're gonna start with GU because GU's been pretty nice lately. So let's start. Maybe we do May to like right now. Okay. I don't know why it already. Oh, why is my. Oh shit, my bad. Let's leave this. Let's recreate it. Because I changed this one. Okay, let's actually do a year previous to that because I don't want to really trade price action that I already know. So we're gonna do 2024 August. We're gonna 31. Why is my layout getting changed here? Yeah, this is it. I don't know why my layout keeps getting changed, but oops, I opened GBT. My bad. I want to open my stream. Just yeah, I need to do some things today with my. Boom, let's do this and let's start. I'm only gonna be trading setups that I cannot see, so that's what I'm gonna use now. I'm gonna use bias for big. Oh, this was actually like down here at the bottom. I feel like this was a good trade, wasn't it? Kinda very choppy price action, but we're still chilling. Let's see what the market is really doing. We have this hourly gap. We did take that external, and now we're drawing towards internal. So here is actually a place where we might resume bearish trend, but it's weird, right? I would like to see, let's see, buy sell liquidity maybe get taken. I wouldn't really be buying, right? Bias is still bullish, but we're buying. We cannot really buy towards a mitigated POI. That's one of my unconscious rules that I use. It's very risky to be buying towards a mitigated POI, so I'm just gonna wait for like something, right? At this point, I want to see something. I don't really want to be trading. Still says sell side intact. We do have this 50-minute gap which might hold towards the high, but I would actually prefer it to get inversed. Let's see now. We might have, this is a pretty decent price action though. Let's see. Oh, this is already looking good, but I'm not gonna enter pre-New York. Let's see how we behave. We're looking like we're just printing bullish, which is fine. Would I be still want to continue here bullish? I mean, we do have this hourly inversion, so it might signal that we're reaching higher. Oh shit, I cannot skip too fast, but still I wouldn't really see an opportunity here. We're just drawing towards the high. That's all good though. Now we're gonna trade away for the next day. You also have to be like, this is what I'm working on, trade selection. I feel like it's very important. Here we have these really nice equal lows here. We have this low resistance target up high here. Boom, boom. Let's see if we manage to resweep these lows. I would be down even to maybe potentially target those equal lows, but we're in. Okay, my session is fucked, so let me do this. We went to the daytime shift, so sometimes we have to change our hours. I would still like to see that get taken. This is my idea here. This one. Oh, okay. Boom. Let's see if we manage to switch bullish. This is a really good sell side rate. I don't really trust the displacement. We still have this, so I would wait for a bit more structure here. Okay, now we're just, this is just a market. Stop loss not that great, but I would still say we should be chilling on seeing higher prices. We do have the 50-minute POI, so kind of sad that this is a very small idea we have, but range is pre-balance is weird, right? And buy sell liquidity relatively taken, but this is internal, so we do have this right here which I would be down to target. Let's just try. Here we do have that 50-minute which makes it risky. Yes, makes it risky, and the displacement was very weak. That was a chase trade. So let's just see. Right now I'm just really trying to see how we're doing. Here we still have buys on our side, so I'm gonna do limit here. Yeah, we needed to wait for a proper displacement. This was not a proper displacement. We needed to see some sell side raid. Yeah, it's just that we have that 50-minute VG, which makes this trade, we should have waited. Buy sell liquidity already got taken, so this is already kind of troll. Maybe off here actually, but yeah, we need to wait. I would still, yeah, and of that, this was where we ended up buying actually, but it's all good though. Yeah, it's all good though. We're gonna wait for the next day here. We did take 2 losses, which is all good though. Still trying to familiarize myself with this scalping thing. We do have, let's see, buys. Where are we on the hourly chart? Boom, we do have this. Yeah, we cannot really be trading here, and I want to see a 50-minute gap. Then we can take this 50-minute gap maybe towards that, but it's a very big wick, and these most of the time end up yeah, I still want to see that sell side rate or some shit, but we look like we're just gonna be drawing higher. Let's see now. We probably have some type of POI. We do have this hourly, which we can definitely use to be targeting that high, but let's see. We have nice timing here. We have pre-New York retracing. Now I want to see a retrace, and then I want to see price support, higher prices off here, and that would be a great setup here. We're waiting on timing as well for New York open here. We're probably stalling for, okay, that's a very good displacement. I would actually take this. It's pre-New York, but it's a good displacement. We already had this outside rate here, and now we're just, this is kind of a no-brainer. London continuation, first target London highs, second target, boom. Should probably market this shit, and it looks like it's gonna leave off here, so we're gonna delete this. We're gonna mark it here. Displacement not great, but we really do be caring about that inversion though. Oh, we had news, okay. But see how that area ended up being really well respected here. Yeah, this is a no-brainer trade. This would be a trade I would take that, but we had news, so not sure about that though, if we would have taken it. Now I'm just gonna skip towards the next day. Boom. Just gonna really be focusing on these no-brainer setups, these high conviction scalp setups. At this point we're pre-overextending and we're kind of looking like we're flipping bearish, but it's too early. We might be respecting that pre-decent break, but I will not take it. I do want to see continuations higher, but we need structure. Okay, we probably will target this actually. Let's see, we might have a like short-term scalp here, but I do want to see, okay, that's a good wick, that's a good displacement. It's just, it's extremely big, so I'm not sure. Let's just try. It's a bit risky, but let's just try. Should be reaching, yeah. It was very risky because of this gap here, but it ended up really working for now. Really risky, but yeah, we just had solid retracement trade pretty much, and targeting this low. From here we might actually be switching bullish. I'm looking at this, but I do want to see a kind of proper displacement. This is not okay. Now it's a good displacement actually. I'm not sure. We have the sell side rate. It's actually pretty good off this breaker, but what are we targeting? Let's see. Opposing PD rate in this case is this right here, so that's what we're going to be targeting here. Okay, we just got missed, but yeah, see, the trade idea ended up playing out really nicely. We just got missed of that, but yeah, it's basically kind of perfect trade idea. We could have targeted this, but yeah, it's a nice, already it's looking like we're doing pretty good. Nice retracement trade actually. I mean, not really retracement, looks like the main move, but we just ended up getting missed because of this smaller FVG, but it's all good though. It matters that our idea was right, and we're probably going to be continuing towards the high. We're looking like we're switching bullish, so now it's already another thing. Like when I'm backtesting now, I can actually see the market because I can focus, and I'm actually here out of love. I'm not how I was before. So we do have this, which is not necessarily what I would like. I would be trading off it if we inverse. This is actually a pre-bear sign because we inversed right here, and we do have the buy sell liquidity taken, but I do want to see the retrace. Oh, this is pretty good. Yeah, I should have taken this right here. I just didn't really trust it, but yeah, nice trade. Also could have taken it definitely. I would like to still see the sell side getting raided here. We're inversing again. We have buy side liquidity getting taken. It's actually pretty nice, but it's again pre New York. So I like to see this high getting taken right here on New York, and we can actually target these London lows. It's slightly riskier, but let's see if we hold. Doesn't look like we're necessarily gonna be holding bearish. Okay, that's a really good displacement actually. So we re-rated this high, and now we're having this pretty good displacement. I really like that order block right here, and we can be targeting this lowest here. Sell side is not taken, so we're valid on targeting lower, but we do have this 50-minute right here, which might be a slight inconvenience. Okay, now it's pretty nice. We have this, so if we inverse it, I might be down to be taking the short. If we hold it bullish, I don't like that inversion. Yeah, probably gonna hold bullish because we just build kind of a lot of resistance on the lows. So unless, I don't know, we see something, yeah, it's probably gonna hold bullish. Trade, not really. I would have wanted to see that sell side. The reason why we didn't take it is because this low already got taken here, and we just flipped bullish, which is all good though. We might have a potential retracement here towards this gap, so this can be a relatively retracement trade, but I don't really like how price action is looking here. We do have this buy sell liquidity getting raided. I don't want to see this. Oh, it's actually pretty good. I'm not sure if I do trust these highs right here. This would be generally my idea. Timing decent for retracement. I'm not sure. Let's just try it for funsies, because this is what really kind of fucks the idea, is this. But we're gonna see. I'm probably gonna go early break even. Probably gonna go break even at this point just to protect. Yeah, because it was a risky trade because of this, and that's why we actually failed. Maybe could have closed, maybe could have not, but it's all good though. So here for next day. The trade was not bad. It's just that yeah, how price behaved. It was in a spot where really, oh, I do like this. Oh, this is a good buy here, a really good buy if we sweep this low. I actually like this. Let's see us sweeping that low. Okay, oh yeah, this is good. This is a no-brainer. This is a no-brainer. Once again, we're definitely be targeting that high. See if it works. It should work, like no-brainer pretty much. This is pretty much our only area of relative resistance, which is that 5 minute. Let's see on behavior here. I do care about this FVG. That's not great, yeah, but let's see. I still do believe in bias, but we have ended up having a bit of resistance because of that. I'm really confident in us reaching for the high, so I'm probably still gonna leave it run, but this is bad. It's just struggling a lot with that FVG here. Normally I think we might have just fully closed here, but in this case I'm just really confident in bias. Let's see of the retest. Let's see us holding higher. Still do believe in bias. We're close to, I'm gonna go break even at this point in case that sweep comes in, but I'm really confident in us reaching towards the high. Let's see now, do we hold higher? Okay, we just mitigated break even. That's just weird, kind of weird price action to be honest, but we're probably still gonna hold the idea. Yes, we do hold. Just like really choppy price action here, and we do hold, but for a scalp, fuck me, this took a long fucking time. A long fucking time, but it's all good though. Sometimes we're not gonna have, oh, I kind of like this inversion here, but we do have a lot of fucking resistance here, which is why this short might not be a good choice. Yeah, we're just gonna be waiting for it. It looks like it's gonna hold, but it's probably gonna be short term though. Price action is a bit choppy here. Do have that inversion here, but it's just weird price action, very choppy. Oh yeah, well, let's see here. Is timing decent? This looks decent though. We did raid all this buy side. I would say we're drawn towards this, but I'm not sure though if I want to be taking this. We do have this internal here exactly on our stop loss, which is one reason why I wouldn't really trade it. But let's see. Okay, it ended up working actually. Our TP is slightly off, but yeah, it ended up working. Maybe I should have taken this, but yeah, another good scalp. For now, we're just maintaining our flow. Let's just keep flowing. Okay, what is this? London news. Here I would be, yeah, this I would like be shorting here, even though it might sound controversial wherever. In these voids, I do really like shorting, so I want to see that buy sell liquidity getting raided here. Nice. See if we hold lower prices. That's a good oh, okay, I didn't. Let's see if we hold. If we, yeah, that's good. I don't know if we're gonna get tapped in, but I'm doing this right here. Yeah, we just melted. Maybe this gap here, but I didn't really like the displacement. But our idea again once again ended up playing out. Let's see if we manage to sweep some soul side. Let's see 50-minute. We do have this bearish gap, but I wouldn't really be shorting at this point though. I would actually be looking at this inversion here. That's good. But timing is shit. I know. Oh, this is nice. Oh, this is nice. We have like a failed swing, which is a good pattern I like to trade. But I do want to see. I want to wait for that New York Open. This is pre-bearish, right? And they're holding that bearish. We took soul side, which yeah, it's probably just gonna be going bearish. It is what it is. We already got missed, but my bias was good. We swept again soul side here. We did inverse, but we have a lot of bearish POIs to be looking at buys here. Yeah, let's see. Let's skip to the next day. This is a pretty weird day, but I was right on being bearish from here. We just got missed, but it's all good though. We cannot be in every trade possible. Wait for next day. We have pretty much an opportunity almost every single day. That's what's nice about scalping, which is what I love. We didn't really tap this FVG. We do have soul side taken. We do have both liquidities getting taken here, which is something I wouldn't necessarily like. I do want to see this weight getting taken, and then maybe we'll look at shorts if we carry on. This is weird price action. This is good, but I don't know. I wouldn't really target sell side already being taken though. Yeah, on bias is still good. We have pretty good reads on bias. This can be a retracement trade, but it's weird. I don't want to be taking this ping pongy. Yeah, look. Oh, this was maybe a good idea. Still weird. The market is still in a weird state. Now we have a lot of sell side here, which is something that I like, but when we look like we'd be carrying too much. Here we rated massively on sell side, so we cannot really be targeting that, but we don't even have a 50-minute FVG to follow trend higher, which is pretty annoying. Let's see here. We do have this good gap. Do we want to keep looking at bullish prices? This is just it's weird. It's a market scenario that is definitely weird. I would say we'd be drawn towards this though, and we do have this nice sell side raid here, so let's see. Oof, that's a good gap, but I'm not entirely sure whether we're gonna come back to tab my order. But yeah, now it's a good idea. We have 2 around the highs. Let's see. At this point I'm deleting my order because of this inversion. Oh my fucking god. Okay, it's weird fucking price action, bro. Oh my fucking god, this price action is crazy. We would have gotten wick, but I don't really think I'm wrong for deleting my order here. Just keep, bro. Price action is a bit weird in these days. I do like this sell side here, but I'm not sure we're gonna come and sweep the sell side. 930, maybe off the buy sell liquidity sweep. That would be decent. Let's see. We're probably gonna be holding bullish off here though. Though it's not a 50-minute FVG, we're probably gonna be holding bullish. Let's see if we break this high. Yeah, this is good, but I cannot really be. Oh yeah, I see that sell side getting taken. Okay, we don't take sell side. It's all good, bro. Market is really fucking choppy, I'm not gonna lie in this case. Okay, I'd actually be looking for this to get inversed here. I want to see it get inversed. I'll be more down to be sure. Oh, that's good. Let's see that retracement. I do want to see a deeper retracement. Still lacking movement. We didn't inverse that fully, so still kind of struggling. It's probably gonna print bullish, yeah, but I would still prefer that short. Oh, this was a good continuation opportunity. No real sell side rate, but let's just keep skipping. No real trades until now, but the market is really fucking weird in this period. Oh, my bad. So buy sell liquidity taken. We do not yet have a 50-minute VGA. I would still like to see that sell side getting swept. This is a very good displacement here to look to target this, but it's a really small idea. Okay, ended up just sweeping it, but I do want to see this low. Okay, nice. Okay, so now we sweep this low. We have the 50-minute VG. I would still be down to taking buy side, but it's just like price is extremely choppy. I don't know if necessarily I want to be trying to buy in scenarios like this. It's a good inversion here if we inverse. I do want to see a retest because of timing and shit like that. Okay, this could have been an opportunity here. Yeah, that was it. That high was in, but we just missed it. Need to get used to trading that timing. I don't really like shorts here, but yeah, just gonna wait for next day. We're using mostly 15-minute now. That's what changed with scalping. Okay, where are we in the higher time frame area? We are in a 4-hour AVG. We can ping pong to draw towards this high, but I need to see a 50-minute gap. Let's see some sell side rate. Okay, we already be drawing towards that. So here I would, to follow shorts on a short-term idea, we can look to target that this low if we inverse. But on the long-term idea, it's actually looking pretty good, like this trade of this displacement. But I don't like structure here. But yeah. So yeah, it would have worked, but I didn't like structure. Just straight up. It's weird. Price action in a case like this. Okay, that's good. We inverse, but still price action is massively weird. God damn, price action is so fucking. Oh, this is nice. Let's see if we get that retest towards New York timing. We can look. This is on our trend. This is low resistance liquidity. We have some buy side here to be swept, but yeah, we're just melting. Yeah, this is just fucking weird ass price action, bro. We didn't have a trade for a long time now, but we're not gonna force anything. We're just gonna wait for that good opportunity. Boom, we have kind of low resistance liquidity, but again, I wouldn't really be preferring to buy here. I would prefer shorting, maybe even a counter trend trade here. Technically counter trend, but realistically not really. Let's see. Oh, that's a good carry on of version 10, but still weird price action. Still weird. I would say we're still gonna hold short, but it does depend. Yeah, it's just weird as fuck, bro. What is this price action, man? Fuck me. It just has these massive fucking swings. Like, it doesn't do shit, like, properly. Bro, I saw us holding lower from here, but shitty fucking break once again. Oh my fucking god, bro. This price action is starting to get a bit annoying, but we're just gonna calm down. Okay, now we're looking like we're holding bearish again. We do have this here. I'm down to be targeting shorts. We flipped. This is probably a 4 hour. Yeah, 4 hour, 1 hour. Yeah, we're pretty clear on targeting lower here. I do like this. I do want to see some buy side liquidity rate. I do like these highs here getting swept. So let's see us tap into that POI. Good. Now let's see us hold bearish if we don't inverse. Okay, we just completely massively inverse, I guess, of that order block, but I'm still looking at shorts here. Still prefer shorting. So I want to see, oh, this is a good sell side raid. Potential bullish case. Yeah, just flipped, but I didn't like this flip. I would have preferred shorts. Okay, now we're looking like we're shorting. Still preferring shorts here. Oh, we have news. Okay, and we're just bullish again on one really trade. Maybe this was a good trade, but yeah, we're just gonna wait. Now we're initiating bearish. Okay, gap, low resistance. We still have really low resistance targets. This is good, but I don't really, this displacement looks weird, so I'm not gonna force any trades. Now it looks a bit better. I don't know about this displacement though. Yeah, it would have worked apparently. I should have shorted this. I hesitated for no reason here, but it would have worked. This was our second target, and now we inversed. Yeah, this was a strong low, so that's probably why I was hesitating. Price action is so fucking random in this period. London Open almost came into that FVG. I wouldn't really be liking shorts though here. We took this low. I want to see us follow with this inverse here. It would be a good setup if we follow with an inverse, but it doesn't really look like it. Maybe towards New York session. Okay, that's relatively good. Oh, we already fucking displaced. I'm not taking a news entry. It's looking like flipping bearish. Okay, that's a good displacement actually. Just the context is really fucking weird. Here, the context is really weird because of this news price action. But this would be the scalp. Do I want to take this? I mean, we did for, yeah, no. Look at the 50-minute. I want to take this even if it works, but yeah, oh shit, that's a crazy mitigation. It would have worked, but the context is just dog shit because of news, but my idea ended up playing out. I'm gonna wait for a nice trade. That's all I'm gonna do, no matter how it takes, but this is just dog shit price action, I'm not gonna lie. Now again, both sides of the market are really taken, so and we just displaced with no regrets, but south side is taken. We don't really want to be targeting like that, but again, south side being taken, yeah, we don't want to target like this. Both sides of the market are taken. We don't want to be trading in scenarios like this unless price initiates in some direction. We do have this high, which can make for a good, oh, never mind. The market is extremely fucking weird in this period. You just keep ping-ponging like, god damn, bro. Sell side raid. No. Still don't like this idea. Yeah. Bro, what the fuck? Now it's starting to really annoy me. Like, it's been like a lot of days where just market does some dog shit fucking things, bro. What are you doing? What is this price action, bro? I mean, now we have maybe a setup here. Alright, first high, second high, and just playing bullish of this 50-minute gap. So already into a 50-minute gap. Boom. The only liquidity we're taking was internal, so I wouldn't really say it invalidates the trade. They want to take this displacement. Doesn't really look necessarily that good. Now we can take it. Will not have the greatest R, but more than enough, right? Come on, Brody. Order is not complete. Order is not complete. Order is not complete. Yeah, this is good. If we get tapped. You're fucking serious, bro? Like, why? Why would you? Oh my fucking god, this is crazy. Now we're flipping bearish. Now I see a retest. This is not good timing though. It's lunchtime. It's probably gonna sweep the sell side here. It's not forbidden that we're gonna still hold ID. Oof, I like this displacement. That's not a good displacement. Yeah. Why are we holding lunchtime? Fucking oh my god, bro. This is so annoying. Oh, it's fucking annoying price action. Dog shit, goofy ass price action. Bro, I need to switch geo. Okay, our win rate is now it's looking normal. Right now it's looking normal. Our win rate is looking normal. We had started with one loss and here we broke even a lot of times, but our win rate starts to be looking normal. But bro, this is what was the Spurs price action, bro? Oh my fucking god, bro. Look at my ideal average R. 8.5. It's crazy, but yeah, win rate at least is looking normal. Oh my god, 1 1 1 1. That's crazy though. Talk about signs from the universe, and look at this as well. 11:44. When I started the backtesting session, it was 11:11. So that's how really the universe be talking to me a lot of times. But yeah, I'm gonna take a small break. Yeah. We're just gonna train us. I think I'm gonna continue, even though the price action is pretty fucking dog shit. I'm gonna continue with it, but I'm gonna take a small break because it hurts my brain. 57 win rate is decent right now, but we're not backtesting for win rate. Oh my god, what is happening here? Let's remove. We have something hourly. We do have this very premium IVG. We did take sell side, but some weird state once again. The market here, it's in a weird state. Let's see how 50 minutes looking. I don't like this shit. We can maybe at most take the short towards that, but timing is shit. I do want to see. Yeah, it's probably just gonna get inversed. Let's see the retest. Okay, this was actually very nice entry of London highs to anticipate that retest. That was my bad. Okay, that's a good displacement. It's just too big. I want to see these highs getting taken. Let's see this inversed. It don't really look like it's still very fucking ping pongy like market, bro. We're just not gonna worry about what the market's doing. We're just gonna wait for a good trade. That's how it should be on live trading as well. Okay, we do have buy sell liquidity getting raided. We do have all the sell side, but I would still prefer looking at shorts here. We do have a nice I don't think we're gonna take that high, but it does depend. Okay, we did take the high. I do want to see some proper structure here. I do want to see, like, that's good, but I do want to see us hold. I do want to see a retracement. Good. Yeah, we're okay, that's pretty good, but it's not complete yet. Okay, now it's complete. Should actually be taking this. What is timing? 12:25 is decent. We're targeting low resistance liquidity. 2R. Let's see. Goofy ass price action, bro. I'm just on wrong bias, I guess. But bro, what is it doing, bro? This is so ping pongy. Like, I hate this shit, bro. Hate this fucking bullshit. So ping pongy, not clear bias, nothing. Okay, this was our trade. Maybe we get re-tapped in, but it's a short idea. Still should hold. Nah, fuck this shit. Like, it's annoying, bro. Look at this, bro. Fuck this bullshit price action, bro. What is this, man? Oh my god, it's fucking annoying the shit out of me. This bullshit ass fucking price action. I'm not gonna do Geo again. Fuck you. Fuck this bullshit ass, bro. It's so annoying. Jesus fucking Christ. Like, what are you doing, man? Most fucking bullshit price action ever. Just relax. It's very annoying, but this is just the reality of the market. I know clear bias, just ping ponging like we don't know what we're doing. Like, come on, bruh. Okay, this is my layout. Let's look at Nasdaq. Maybe Nasdaq has some better price action, but god fucking damn, that bullshit ass price action from I don't like that we are in a lot of resistance, but this displacement is looking good. I want to see still a retracement. I don't know. I want to see this getting raided, but I don't know if it will. I see timing. Okay, it's decent timing. Now I want to see us hold bullish price of this consolidation. Still struggling a bit. Still low probability. Now I do want to see that sell side rate. Now I want to see this inverse. If we do, don't really look like we are. Yeah, we're still flipping bearish. Okay, now after this sell side was taken, now we're looking like we're flipping bullish, but it's pretty weird once again. Oh, that's good. Of this, but and we're targeting this. I would target this resistance, to be honest. Let's just try and see. Okay, we got missed. Oh my god, bruh. Good bias, good trade, but we got missed. It is what it is. Now we might have but it's too late, a good counter trend trade to target this right here. Okay, that's good, but I don't know if we're gonna, like, the idea is 0.9R. Yeah, already played out. But yeah, let's see. Wait for the next day. We need to wait for Okay, now we opened, we rated this buy side. I do want to see the inversion for good, like good shorts. I feel like it's gonna hold bullish more like it. Okay, now we kind of inversed. If we hold bullish, we're pretty much gonna go bullish off this gap right here. Still don't really like this price action. Okay, now we inversed. Now let's see that retake. Oh, but I'm not sure about these though. I do want to see. We don't really give that retracement that I wanted. We're gonna give it later. Okay, nice buy side liquidity rate. Let's see if we hold bearish from here. That's what I'm interested in. We come for this. We come for this, and maybe after that we come. Okay, we don't. Yeah, Nasdaq is also really weird, but we're just gonna try our best. Hey, we are fucking price action. Okay, we do have massive sell side here, massive sell side. Would I be trading anywhere in between? Hell no. Maybe now. Yeah, now we can have a potential trade. That's already good. Even though this might look troll, let's try this shit. I would market this. Oof, I really like this buy side here. It's a bit of high resistance, but it's very a no-brainer trade. Displacement not that great, but oh, I should have marketed this. Okay, we got tapped in anyways. Okay, that's not a good. That's generally a sign that we should be starting to take some trims. I don't want to see. Can I go 30 seconds here? Not applicable. Okay, why is it not applicable? Yeah, this is not great. Probably trim half, go break even on this right here, because we're giving very bearish signs that we're not going to be reaching towards that. Yeah, should have probably trimmed full, but it's still a decent trade, right? Why, even though the buys look good, we just have a big ass consolidation, which is where usually price reacts of what. Yeah, it's all good though. It was still a no-brainer trade. Could have maybe trimmed more. Could have used that intuition there to be, yeah, really not targeting that buy side right there. But let's see what market open does. I like this buy side. We can actually be looking to target it, I would say, that high right there. But I do have a lot of resistance here, which is not, again, not the greatest. But let's see this inversion. This, even though it's a choppier inversion, this is good. I do like this. It's a 1.7R, but it's all good though. Yeah, we just got flipped. We got destroyed, but it happens. Okay, now we're getting another good displacement. Stop loss here. Again, we're trying the same idea. Should work this time though. Have this high, at least this high we should take. Yeah, now it's working. Okay. Good trade. Good trade. We got swept early. Oh, we entered pre-market open. What am I doing? Market open here. We usually wait for, like, yeah, this was good, and we rated the sell side here. I think there's a bug with, I'm not sure about it, but yeah, we still ended up hitting that take profit, so that's pretty much everything that matters. We're probably gonna be going for this though. I would say this actually. Yeah, when we react off that, I could have had a bigger TP, but it's all good. Just gonna be focused on consistency at this point. That's what I want to see. Boom, we reach into this high again. We have a very similar setup, very fucking similar. Look at this. So we might be sweeping this time as well, so that's what I'm gonna wait for. Let's see, 330. I think this is market open, but we just massively displace. Yeah. Ooh, this looks good. If we hold higher, we have the sweep here. Can we look at continuations if we inverse this? We can. Choppy inversion, but we can't really be looking for perfection. I would say probably target this, or more like this here. Yeah, for me, even though the reaction is choppy, I don't see a reason why we would not hold. Yeah, we got wicked. Let's see if he holds. It should probably no brainer. Yeah. Why are you failing, bro? Like, seriously, why are we failing here? Are you serious? We just, like, yeah. Market is so manipulative, bro. Nasdaq is fucking crazy. Don't understand Nasdaq, bro. I mean, we did react of that high. That's, and look at this, bro. Like, come on, what are we doing, bro? Like, oh my god, the price action, bro. I've been backtested today is so fucking bullshit, man. Oh my fucking god, it's starting to annoy me once again. Let's see at this sell side right here. We have really nice buy side to be targeting. Actually, even for a short term, so it would be decent to target the sell side, but we're not gonna be trading London Nasdaq. But yeah, our idea pretty much almost played out. I still want to see that sell side getting raided. Oof, pretty strong reaction for raid, but on Nasdaq everything is possible. That's what I learned. This is pretty bearish. Yeah, we just flip bearish. It is what it is. We're not gonna be trading here. I don't know with FX replay, it's weird. I'm not. Oh, yeah, market open I think is on 3:30, which is not normal. It should be on 4:30 in my time, but I think this is market open pretty much. But it's weird, right? So yeah, we need to wait 3:30 always and then we trade in. But it looks bullish. I just manipulated the lows. Not really any valid sell side though getting taken, so we're just gonna wait. Okay, Nasdaq is weird, bro. Okay, this is not, yeah, we need to wait for that market opening. We need to let it play. We cannot really be trading. It's very manipulative. That's the downside of market open. A lot of people be trading market open, but I don't understand why would you do that, bro. It's very manipulative most of the times. Now we flip bullish again. Bruh, I see the retest if we get it, and we're not really getting it. But see, hourly, do we have an hourly? We don't really have an hourly. We do have that 50-minute, but I wouldn't really be buying though. Maybe now, but it's still late. It's getting late. Still like to see that retracement. Bruh, oh my fucking god, bro, this pair is garbage. Why am I getting only bullshit price action, bro? I don't understand this shit. Probably this is what we're gonna raid. Yup, but we're looking very bearish. Let's see market open. Oh, I like this on continuations lower, but it needs to be holding properly. Still a bullshit break now. Okay, this is good. It's a no-brainer. A no-brainer. Do we have big targets? Oof, we have this. Okay, this is a nice trade. This should be legitimately a no-brainer trade. Should work like bang. That's it. Should. Oh my fucking god, bro. Like, why? Why? You come back, you manipulate, then you go. Like, what is it doing, man? Oh, this pair is fucking dog shit. Why am I getting such dog shit price? Like, this is very fucking annoying, I'm not gonna lie. Only bullshit price action, only choppy price action. Say with you, bro. Like, what is this, man? We don't really be doing anything here. Oh my fucking god, this is annoying as fuck. This is getting raided, but I'm not gonna be trading. Okay, we leave massively off London. Buy sell liquidity market open. Ooh, like this. Short, but it's again very fucking manipulative price action. Very choppy, very weird. Sunset already being taken, so we cannot really be targeting something more than a POI. So 1.5, it's all good though. Let's just try this shit. Yeah. Now I'm done. It's too annoying. I'm done. Fuck this, bro. Why is there only bullshit? Like, I don't understand. I'm not even gonna worry about it. Just probably gonna come back later during the day, because now it feels like the universe is legit toying with me and only showing me garbage fucking price action, bro. I'm gonna see you back for, I don't know, maybe later. I'm not even sure if I'm gonna be back this thing later, but this is hell fucking annoying.